Are you tired now, like an old man?
Do it, Lynn. Break it down, Lynn. 13 going on 30. Come on.
It's only a movie.
Can you open
You
this?
should love that video.
Can you open this, baby?
Is the refrigerator closed?
Yes.
This song just makes you want to pull your arm out and start.
Do it again, Lynn. Break it down, Lynn.
Come on!
I won't put you on YouTube, I promise.
Don't put me on
End up on
YouTube.
there with what you did record.
She said I'm gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah, Daniel's breaking it down for you.
Quit.
Oh, Jesus. 8 minutes and 13 seconds of this shit.
Good.
Come on, Lynn.
I did it once, that's all you're getting.
That's it.
That's it.
Break it down, Megan. Let me see. I don't want to see your titties bouncing.
If she was humping a cherry, you'd see it.
One more time, Lynn.
Okay, it's not the right part.
Damn, Marlon, I can barely see you. Break it down. Come on. I gotta have something good to post. Quit playing with your boobs.
I know, right? She's over there all.
How about you?
Did you get a booby shot yet? God damn it.
You're gonna get electrocuted.
I don't want to miss Lynn doing it.
I know she's got like a video of just me sitting on the couch.
The folk of 40,000 years.
Personally, you don't want to party when you're getting all wild. Because she's right there and like recording it all.
Need more to the canvas.
You're gonna sit there.
Of the thriller.
See, it's over.
Yeah, right. That's a long video. You must never seen
We're
it.
at 4 minutes and it's only 8 minutes.
Now all the monsters are coming out. They're coming out thing like this.
Move! I gotta adjust color. Move, Ray! Move!
You gotta do the dance.
I don't remember.
You need to watch 13 going on 30.
I just need to watch the video.
She's on. You gotta do the little skipping thing that they do.
little hip thing. They're on. Bye, they did it. They did it.
You're not gonna get me doing it again.
Another walking like this.
Do it, Lynn. Do it. Break it down, Lynn. Come on, one time. Come on, Lynn, one
If I was
time.
watching the movie, I could do it. I just can't do it.
Do it, Lynn. You can do it. Come on.
Ow. Sit down.
Come on, Lynn, you can do it.
Go dance. Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
What's he looking at?
The little.
Whoa, Michael Jackson!
That's like my favorite part of the whole thing when they do that shit.
They're looking in the mirror.
Well, do it.
No.
Show us how you do it.
I'm looking in the mirror or something.
Come on. Do it one more time.
No, I can't do that for you. You got a close up on me too. No, I'm gonna say no.
No. Get from me. Mom, wasn't it looking in the mirror but Galen danced too?
I don't know where it was. Something like
It was
that.
either looking in the mirror or...
Something like
Yeah, that
that.
was it. Yeah, I'm right. It was looking in the mirror.
Why?
Service network. Network service. Does that a lot.
And I stepped on something in the backyard or something.
She's still recording.
What's that?
Look in the mirror. Saw something.
Why are you playing it again?
They
Stop.
had to go back.
You're gonna make Lynn do it again. Come on, Lynn. Just go like that.
It's only a movie.
There it is. I know. I don't know who's in it, but I know
It's some Michael Jackson song.
it's Michael
What is
Jackson.
that?
What?
The one Galen did is what she's trying to talk about.
Man in the mirror?
Yeah, Man in the Mirror. There we go.
Oh, that where
She
that
said
little
look
boy
in the
walked
mirror.
through the mirror.
Oh, you seen that one?
Yeah, on that video thing.
Yeah.
Are you gonna do it again?
No. You got it one time.